All right. So we're going to do past tense. First of all, do you have any doubts about past tense?
Uh, no, madam, I don't have any doubt. Whenever I want to speak, only now I made one mistake where I use go. So in that case, I've missed out which form will be correct in the past
All right.
with had, with was, with were. So which form will be correct? Would be correct.
All right. What we will do is we'll start working on it, and if you make mistake in any sentence, then I will correct you and help you with these things. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Okay. So the first topic. So what we will work on is do you have a story that you can tell me, sir? The story can be anything. It could be story of a movie, anything that happened with you if you
Okay.
traveled somewhere.
Okay. Story. Narrating a story.
Yes.
Okay. Can I start?
Please do. Yes.
Okay. There was a one boy whose name was Surya. He was villager, and one day he came to big city because of some family. There was some family problem with his family, so he came to another city, big city, for working hard and do earn some money and
He worked hard, not
help.
for working hard. He went to another city to work hard and earn money.
Okay. He went to another city to earn money, and she started working with different types of companies, and there was more than uh, 20 means hours. So he left this job and he tried another, but his his luck was not good. So he didn't get any good job in that city. So he tried next city. So he went another
He went
type.
to
He went to different city, and in there he started finding a job, and finally he got the job, and he was working fine with that job, and very few days he get all those things he
he
wants
got
in his
past
life,
tense, past
and
tense.
after that he also
He got all the things past tense.
he got all the things he wants in his life, and also he provides he posts some money, he passes him some money also. So I think he uh, he completed his journey with this, and after this he also put some boys with him, and they live with their one room, and they uh, started their dinner, means cooking with themselves. This do all these works themselves, and they live happily. They lived happily there.
All right. Okay. What did you like about this story?
Sorry,
What did you like about the story?
I didn't like it because he never less means he always tries something positive in his life. Whatever he gets in life, he never complain against it, and he try to find new, and he got success.
What did he say?
He got success there.
He got success. Yes.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. That is a nice story, sir. That is a nice story. I was looking for it was well spoken. However, I'm looking for something a little more elaborate that you can perhaps share. Something
Okay.
which is longer, more descriptive, so that you get to speak more, and then we could practice more with it. Can we try that?
Okay, give me a topic. I will try because I took it immediately. I don't have any mind, so I took it immediately. So
All
you
right.
have a topic, then give me a topic.
Uh, do you have a favorite movie? Which is one of your most favorite movies?
Movie.
One of your favorite movies, yes.
There are lots of favorite movies. Which one I will take?
Anyone that you like, sir. Which is your most favorite of all time? A movie that you watched also a lot of times, and if it still plays on TV, you will sit down and watch it.
There are lots of, so getting name it's a very difficult. So okay, uh, Ajay Devgan is my favorite. So I watched his old movies. So one of his movie I liked very much, and mostly his all movies I like, but his movie, one of the movie, I think Pyar To Hona Hi Tha. I was
Which movie,
saw
sir?
Pyar To Hona Hi Tha. Hindi
So this
movie.
movie which has Kajal also, Kajal, Ajay
Yeah,
Devgan.
yeah. After I think that movie they got married. I think.
Oh, it was after that movie.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. That time I was I think fourth or fifth standard. So I was went
Not
another
was then.
city.
So see, we use was with two places. Okay, when you're putting ing. Okay.
Okay,
I was studying in fourth standard when I saw the movie. Okay, you put ing after it. Another thing you use was for is when you're telling who are you, your state of being. I was 10 years old when I watched the movie. Okay, but you will not say I was watched the movie. Okay.
okay, okay.
Okay.
So I went there with my cousin brother for a purchase for about two pulses. So instead of going to market, we went to cinema hall, and that time I was newly. I don't. I was recognized heroes with their face only. I don't have any idea with their
I
names.
didn't
So
past tense. I didn't have any idea.
I
Yes, I
didn't have
didn't
any
have any
idea
idea.
of their names. So I saw a picture with full intention. I recognize, but from that day I recognized him with his name. And when I was seeing this movie, I I
When I saw
I thought
when I
I
saw
thought that I thought that they are actually husband and wife, because I was that time fourth or fifth standard. I was say, I think sixth or fifth standard, I think. So I didn't recognize it is correct or not, but I thought they are really husband or wife. And after that, few years later, when I was completely come to know that it is a industry and all these are um,
they're related to
uh,
each other.
huh. And that time I come to know that they are nowadays they are a husband and wife, but that time they were not
Not
husband and wife.
nowadays now. Not nowadays, simply now.
Okay, now they are husband and wife, but that time they were not husband and wife. They were only playing their roles.
Yes, they were
But
only colleagues.
so it and this movie I liked so much because in this movie he played a good role and songs were very good. So his title song was very interesting. So I always listen it.
All right. Okay. Nice. Even I like this movie. When you said Pyar To Hona Hi Tha, the title track of the movie started playing in my mind.
Yeah,
So it is a really nice movie. I am also a fan of the movie. Yes, and it was again. It was only after that movie that I came to know that they both are actually a married couple.
yes, yes, yes.
Because otherwise we see Kajol so much with Shah Rukh Khan that we get confused.
Kajol did with our means Shahrukh Khan also and Salman Khan also. She is a good actor, but also with Ajay Devgan, her combination is also good.
Absolutely, sir, absolutely. Very true. But I think it used to happen earlier in the industry that women after marriage stopped working. That does not happen anymore. They usually compromised on their career, but now that doesn't happen.
Yes.
Right. All right, sir. Okay. There weren't many doubt. There weren't many mistakes, sir. Only a few. One was in was, but I hope the was is clear now.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay.
I will do practice over it. I will listen it after that, and after I will practice over it. And now from today, I will write one story. There, I will take one word, and from that word, I will try to make a story. I will write a story.
You don't even have to write it, sir. You could just record your voice. Okay. You can have a voice recorder on your phone, switch it on, and then just speak so that you're because when we write, we know when we're making mistakes. We can correct. It doesn't
Yeah.
happen so much otherwise, right?
When I write, I grammatically I come to know that there is a mistake and there is a something which so I correct that time.
Exactly.
So I will
Exactly.
speak in front of the camera and I will open my mouth. Yeah, little
Camera,
bit.
voice recording, anything works, sir. Anything. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
then. So just past tense, sir, maybe focus on it even in your future sessions. For 1 week, work on past tense. Tell tutors that, hey, I'm working on my past tense. Can we do certain activities to strengthen it? Okay.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Okay.
All right, then, sir. Okay. Have a good day ahead. Bye. Lovely meeting you again.
Thank you, ma'am.